Hi guys, today we'll be working on this Ford and I'm going to show you guys how to remove the speedometer cluster. You have to pry it right here, and then there's two screws. I think there should be like 7mm, and then also you have to pry this plastic right here, and there should be two screws right there as well. And then when you take that out, make sure you unplug the plug, and then that's how you take it off, but I'll show you if you want to stay tuned. So what you want to do is carefully, I have a little flathead just so you don't destroy it, lightly, and then if you have some kind of plastic tool, and get in there and just pry it. And that should lift up. And that's what it holds on clips. So like I said, I barely use the screwdriver, but mainly use some kind of plastic tool to pry it so you don't destroy anything here. Once you take that off, now you have access to the screws. And the screws you want to take off will be one right there and one right here. It's right here. If you look at the steering wheel, it's right. First one's one here and one right there, and they should be 7mm. So they look like this. So once you remove two of those screws, 1, 2, this can get a little loose, but there's also 2 more screws holding on the bottom. Now you have to pry this. Maybe it's best to make sure your steering wheel is all the way down. To move that, there's like a lever down, and then you push this down. Lock in place. Now you can remove this plastic. Just also be careful. It's this one right here. Now this is removed, and there's your other screw one right here, and one on that side, and that should come off, but make sure you unplug the electrical plug as well. So how I removed this screw, the screw's right there. It's kind of hard to get it this way, so all I did is just lift this side up and got it through here with the extension, and I was able to get it out. Make sure when you loosen all the way so you don't drop it, make sure you catch it with your fingers. So now we'll go this side, and same way we go inside here. So now we'll move to this side, and that's how it is. I just lift this up and then lift this up, just don't break it, and now you can loosen it. So once it's loose, don't drop it. Finish it with your, grab it with your hand. Make sure you don't drop it when you're loosening it. And that's how you remove the fourth one. And now this should be free. So to make sure this is not going to be in your way, you have to remove carefully this rubber right here. Let me focus. See, it holds on these little clips. You just pull back. Just like that. Once you pull one, the rest will kind of go. Same thing on this side. That's how it is. It just holds on these ones right here. This rubber. Now you can move it out of the way. So now this is loose. You just pull it towards you. Careful so you don't scratch anything. And now you have a plug back there. Right in here. So to remove this plug, you have to push this button right here. It's like a knob right here on this side. You push this in, and then you pull this way. Push it in, and then pull. Just like that. So make sure you push right there, this thing. And now you should be able to take this off. And this is how you take it off. Well, thank you for watching. Please consider subscribing if you're not subscribed yet. I'll have great content coming this year. If you have any questions, comment below, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.